Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's me, Sir Jesse, and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yan? Gusto ko yun! Gusto mo yan? Gusto ko yun! Gusto mo yun? Gusto ko yun!
So for today's video, I will give you a tutorial on how to change this background to this virtual background using Chroma key in Kinemaster app. Are you excited?
Yes, sir!
I can hear you. Okay, you are excited. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing to do is you need to go to your Kinemaster app. Upon clicking this, you need to click the new project and choose 16 by 9. And then, next thing to do is to click the media button. And it will appear like this, and you need to choose your virtual background. So you already have your virtual background. The next step that you're going to do is to click the layer button and click media in order for you to choose the video with green background. So you need to fit that second video to the first video. Next thing to do is to go to layer button, click Chroma key. And you need to enable the Chroma key in order for you to adjust the level of it. So make it sure na it fits the subject, or to see the result you may click the show mask. So fit na siya, okay na yung level, so you may proceed now. So click OK. So in order for you to insert the music, you need to mute the second video. All you need to do is to click the second video and click the audio button and mute it. So there you have it. Na-mute na po yung second video. Next thing to do is to cut the video. So all we need to do is to click the video, click the scissor button, and click the trim to left of playhead. And then you need to choose also the end of that video. Then if you decided already, so again, in cutting it, you need to click the video, click the scissor button, and click the trim to the right playhead. So there you have it. You already have the video of your introduction. So all you need to do is to fit the second video to the first video. So again, reminders, you need also to cut the end of the first video in order for you to fit the first video to the second video. So this time, we may add also text or picture in our video. So all you need to do is to click the layer button and click text. So you may put your name, or maybe you may put like, "Hi, I'm Sir Jesse." Then after that, you need to click OK. So there you go. May na-insert na tayong text like, "Hi, I'm Sir Jesse." And then you may choose your chosen font. So ayan, na-change na natin ang font. And you may also add animation. You need to click in animation. So you need to choose any of that animations. So the effect would be like this. So we're done adding text. So this time we're going to add music. So in adding music, we need to click the audio button and choose music. Then if you decided to choose this, you need to click the plus button. So meron na tayong music sa ating video. So there you go. So we're done with changing the virtual background using Chroma key, and we also added text and music. So this time we're going to save our video by clicking the export and share button. Choose the right resolution and click export. Then let's wait for the video to be saved. So now here's the output of our edited video. So that's the end of my tutorial, and hopefully you've learned a lot from this video. And please give me a thumbs up or click the like button if you really like this video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para update ka sa aking upcoming video. So that's the end of my video, tutorial rather, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!